All right. What is up, Hustle family? I hope you're having a beautiful Friday afternoon or whatever day or time it is when you are watching this. As always, I hope you are profitable. Today, we're looking at an extremely huge upcoming project, and it's not just an NFT project. There is a ton of things inside of this project that you are going to benefit from knowing about this early. So we are looking at Helicon NFT and the Helicon network. So we built the universe so you could light the stars. You can register for their mystery box whitelist, and let's actually deep dive into this and show you why this could be the next biggest thing, not only coming to the NFT space, but coming to the entire NFT community, the crypto community, and the Launchpad community as well. So a comprehensive DeFi plus NFT plus game ecosystem, and that is a key word there. It is an entire ecosystem. Helicon NFT is a new online universe combining a gaming metaverse with an NFT buying and trading platform that provides real rewards where you can play, mine, and earn to become the master of a new market. Now we are going to watch this quick teaser trailer or this trailer video. So let me go ahead and mute and get this playing.
Introducing Helicon NFT, an ecosystem designed for next-generation blockchain, built on Ethereum Layer 2, meaning a faster, more green solution with a lower gas fee.
Okay, real quick, as we know, ETH Layer 2 is coming, and the most anticipated part of ETH Layer 2 is the massive reduction in gas fees. If you haven't heard about ETH Layer 2, definitely something to research, as it is going to completely change all transactions and activity on the Ethereum chain. So the fact that they're building it around that, they're already looking to the future.
Helicon NFT pioneers NFT, game, and DeFi, creating a thriving decentralized ecosystem, bringing community members across different games together. Introducing the core features of Helicon ecosystem. Empower liquidity providers, improves the liquidity of NFTs, bridge the gap between centralized games and decentralized NFTs, and lastly, provide freedom for community members to mint their own NFTs. Our diversified ecosystem consists of Helicon Drachma Token, HDT, the Agora platform, and Helicon Play. HDT is the thread running through the Helicon ecosystem. Agora is a fundamental system that provides essential components. It includes the Helicon Marketplace, which provide an incredible platform where community participants can trade NFT. Yield aggregators, the 9 DeFi liquidity mining pools, provide HDT as mining rewards. Decentralized governance, where HDT holders can contribute ideas to the community. Lastly, Helicon add-on system, bridging the gap between centralized games and decentralized NFTs. Helicon Play is a game distribution ecosystem that consists of Helicon Titan and game partners. It is dedicated for gamers to interact, socialize, and monetize their in-game assets. Helicon Titan is a metaverse role-play game owned and operated by Helicon NFT, where players can truly engage in a play-to-earn experience that is both enjoyable and rewarding. As the Helicon ecosystem expands, the benefit of game partners will elevate and the community will advance. Helicon, the one marketplace to rule them all.
So as you can see, the Helicon Marketplace is an entire ecosystem, and what they mean is they are bridging the gap between centralized games and the decentralized network, or Web3, or the blockchain, or whatever you want to call it. That means with the HDT token, which you can acquire either by purchasing or getting a yield from mining, you can actually go into some of these centralized games, and you as a gamer can mint your own NFT assets and then have them on the blockchain blockchain marketplace. Now, I don't know how they are going to extremely integrate that, but I can see it as if I'm playing World of Warcraft and I have a certain skin layout or I have a certain weapon setup, I can then mint that as an NFT and translate that onto the Helicon market. Now, of course, that is a big name game run by Activision Blizzard, and I'm sure that they are going to be getting some smaller partners to begin with, but the fact that they are the only one right now trying to bridge the gap between centralized gaming and the decentralized universe or metaverse or the Helicon verse in this case is something that is it's absolutely revolutionary. Nobody is doing it. And the fact that these guys are so ahead of the curve, I had to cover them. I think this is going to be basically the OpenSea market on steroids with many, many more ways to interact with the actual universe that they are creating. So very excited about this. So this is Agora. Helicon, the one marketplace to rule them all. Agora is a fundamental element of the Helicon ecosystem. It contains the most essential components such as generating liquidity for NFTs and empowering liquidity providers. With HDT, the Helicon token, all participants will be able to participate in the ecosystem's decentralized governance, and we can get a better explanation of what Agora is through this video here.
Helicon NFT, the new digital art universe, fully explained. Helicon NFT is a comprehensive NFT game and DeFi ecosystem that supports the distribution of the Helicon Drachma token, HDT. It is built on Ethereum Layer 2, a total of 100 billion HDT tokens supply. Agora is the fundamental element in the Helicon ecosystem. It includes Helicon Marketplace, Master NFT and Regular NFT, Yield Aggregator, Decentralized Governance, Helicon AOS, Game Add-on System. The Helicon Marketplace provides a platform for community members to trade NFT in the Helicon ecosystem. In the same way, these regular NFTs are categorized across the 9 Master NFTs. Master NFT receives 2 kinds of rewards. First is mining rewards. Second is from the trading of regular NFTs. Master NFTs are traded with LP tokens. The price of Master NFT is bounded by smart contracts.
So real quick, I want to touch on that. They have these master NFTs that will be going around. Now, these master NFTs can be thought of as somewhat of a ticket to get royalties, because through these yield aggregators, they will be getting mining rewards. So if you or I go in and we start mining, whoever owns the master NFT that has governance over that pool or over those yield aggregators will get a cut or a kickback of everything that is mined in that pool, and that is absolutely amazing. They will also get a kickback from the regular NFTs that are traded under that master NFT tree.
Has a predetermined linearized growth. Each master NFT can only be held for up to 24 hours. After a 24-hour period, they will be automatically listed in the Helicon marketplace. Sale proceeds of the master NFT will be released over 9 days, with 1/9 released each day. While holding the master NFT, the owners will receive 5% of all mining rewards in their respective pools. Also, when regular NFTs are traded in the marketplace, 1% of the sale proceeds will be given to the owner of the corresponding master NFT. Regular NFT can be purchased and sold using HDT tokens. Sellers of regular NFT will receive 95% of the selling price. Regular NFT creators can determine the royalty rate from the proportion of selling price in any of the future selling. 2% will be deducted as service fees and used for the development of Helicon ecosystem. Another 2% will be sent to the Helicon black hole to be burnt. The remaining 1% will be allocated to the holder of the corresponding master NFT. The next component is yield aggregators, where participants obtain liquidity provider LP tokens by injecting HDT and USDT to the Uniswap liquidity pool.
Okay, so real quick, for anyone that isn't familiar, PancakeSwap is the one who really launched into the world of liquidity pools and yield farming. So what that means, basically every time I want to trade a token, say PancakeSwap, and I want to use, say, BNB or the Binance coin to do it, there must be an equal mix of Binance token and Cake or PancakeSwap token already locked inside of a liquidity pool in order for me to trade that pair. So what they're saying basically is if you take the HDT token and you put it into a liquidity pool matching it with USDT or Tether token, you're basically providing liquidity for the transactions to continue rolling inside of their liquidity pool. So in order to make these trades, there must be LP locked, or there must be liquidity locked inside of these liquidity pools. And what they're doing is they're basically saying if you are one of the people that are providing liquidity to our liquidity pool so these transactions can keep rolling smoothly, we're going to reward you for that.
By staking LP tokens in the mining pools, participants will receive HDT tokens as mining rewards. Decentralized governance is another part of Agora that focuses in three main areas: proposal and voting, motivation mechanism, and tournaments. Helicon NFT has employed DAO system, which stands for Decentralized Autonomy Organization, to ensure that governance remains decentralized and community members can partake in proposals and voting. Motivation mechanisms are rewarded when members participate in the development and marketing of Helicon. We will also organize tournaments for community members to engage in friendly competitions where they can win prizes. Through Helicon Game Add-on System, we will bridge the gap between centralized games and decentralized NFT. All assets and games can be mapped to the Helicon ecosystem. Game companies and service providers can add more functions, features, plugins, and develop their games within our blockchain network. Helicon Play is a universe where...
So I just want to touch on that really quick because it went really fast and some of you might not have caught that. But game developers using the Helicon network and the HDT token can actually develop blockchain games on Helicon. That is absolutely massive. So imagine if OpenSea came out with a code or a program that said you can integrate the OpenSea market into your video game. That means if you're running around in World of Warcraft or Call of Duty, you have an OpenSea plugin that you can use to generate NFTs and list on the open market yourself. I don't know if anybody really understands how huge this is or how revolutionary this is, but it's absolutely massive. It is game changing. I'm not trying to sound like a shill here. If you know me, I don't shill projects, but I am very, very hyped around this. The fact that they are bridging that gap, the fact that blockchain developers, one of the biggest issues is Steam. Steam just removed all blockchain games or all cryptocurrency games from their platform. And in that wake, they're missing a billion-dollar market, a multi-billion-dollar market. Gala Games, for example, just went up to a $5 billion market cap over the last weekend. Now, these guys are coming out and saying, hey, we want to step up into that space, but we want to do it better as we're also offering a marketplace. We are offering liquidity pool rewards, the yield aggregators, the master NFTs, all these bridges of income that you can create, you can generate income. It's just incredible. But let's go ahead and finish this video.
Where players across different games can come together to interact, socialize, and monetize their in-game assets. The Helicon game interface is a gateway linking centralized game props and game accounts in the Helicon ecosystem. Helicon game interface, NFTs, and centralized game accounts can communicate with each other, enabling game companies and game users to create regular NFT. When minting regular NFT, the creators can customize their royalty percentage from the selling price. Helicon Titan is a role-play game owned and operated by Helicon NFT. It is an open and ever-expanding metaverse where players can partake in virtual activities together. In this metaverse, Helicon Titan provides play-to-earn for players in minting their tokens. Players develop their avatars through equipping regular NFT like armor and weapons, learning new skills and enhancing their abilities and power. As Helicon ecosystem expands, more game developers and partners will participate, and together, we'll make decentralized gaming a reality.
Yeah, so at the end there, they really just drop another bomb on everyone. Not only are they building this open marketplace, not only are they building this decentralized bridge between centralized gaming and the blockchain, not only are they giving basically everything else that this video has run down, they are also creating a play-to-earn, ever-expanding metaverse RPG. I mean, what this team and what this company is doing is just incredible, and let's start a conversation about it. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of this Helicon universe is. It's just it blew my mind the first time I saw it. I knew there had to be people out there working on something like this, but the fact that it's coming, I figured maybe quarter two of 2022, maybe even late 2022, we would start seeing people working on projects like this. But the fact that it's already here, the fact that people have already been working on it, is just incredible, and they're really going above and beyond. So of course we know we have the Helicon Play or the Helicon Titan, we have the Agora ecosystem, and the HDT tokens. So improving liquidity of NFTs, ordinary trading of regular NFTs, and master NFTs, which provide substantial benefits with limited holding time. Bridging the gap and overcoming barriers between centralized games and decentralized NFTs, with the freedom to create NFTs, providing authority to game producers and members or players to create regular NFTs through Helicon game interface. Empower liquidity providers or LPs, liquidity pools, enabling members to purchase master NFTs and stake in DeFi liquidity mining pools, and of course getting that kickback or the downstream rewards. The Helicon add-on system, which I am extremely excited about, which means they're going to implement their Helicon AOS into centralized game functions through blockchain technology, and that's really where it bridges the gap. And they do also have a royalty program, customized royalty percentage from the selling price of regular NFTs. And you can think of that really when you list any NFT on OpenSea, or when you go to sell any NFT on OpenSea, there's that little royalty percentage that you pay. So that's nothing new, but it is something that gives back even more to the creators of these NFTs. Now they do have their blogs here, and of course the link to everything will be down in the description below, as well as their roadmap. So where we are right now is Q4 2021. Helicon NFT receives seed stage funding to begin development, and the smart contract infrastructure has been completed, and they have signed MOU with their first gaming partner. Now in quarter one of 2022, only a few months away, the HDT public sale will go live, the Helicon NFT DAO will be launched, the Agora ecosystem, including the Helicon marketplace and DeFi LPs, will be launched as well as the Helicon NFT's first gaming partner starts open beta, and they are planning to support cross-platform and cross-game NFT trading. Now later in 2022, they will start to support player-independent NFT mining. They will enhance dApp development by launching IDE with debugging function. Agora V2, Helicon's one-stop ecosystem platform, goes live, and Helicon Titan, their ever-expanding role-playing, or their MMORPG, which is play-to-earn on ETH, will go live. So very exciting, and I see that there is a couple more things down here. Preliminary integration with their gaming partner, of course, that is what they're going to be working on right now. Their front-end UI is completed. They have deployed contracts on ETH Layer 2 testnet, which of course is always, you want to deploy it on a testnet to make sure everything's working inside of your contract before going live, and their marketplace has entered alpha testing. Now, also in Q2 of 2022, they're going to onboard gaming partners in the play-to-earn space, which is absolutely blowing up. The Helicon NFT's proprietary MMORPG game Helicon Titan will go into development. Their bounty program will go live. They will issue SDKs to developers to expand the ecosystem and completed client-side NFT mining function. Now, at the very end of 2022, they also have their roadmap expanding out to. They will develop Helicon NFT's augmented reality function, VR, which is going to be huge, in my opinion. Helicon Titan enters the metaverse, a free roaming universe providing virtual work, entertainment, and social spaces, as well as a biannual tournament will be premiering. So a lot on the roadmap, a lot that they are developing, and you can see they have a fully doxed team right here. So not only are they doing everything correct, they're following all of the hype, they're literally bridging the gap between centralized gaming and the decentralized universe. They have a fully doxed team. It's just an incredible project, and I had to bring it to you. I know this video is going a bit long, but there is so much to talk about. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite part of the Helicon NFT universe? Be very excited to know. Let's start a conversation. I think this could be huge. But as always, never stop profiting, always keep hustling, and aspire for more.